Becoming a great investor comes down to three core disciplines: emotional control, quality fundamental research, and stellar portfolio management. While Synvestable's fundamental data and artificial intelligence can help you determine quality companies and good entry points, the portfolio tools is where long-term wealth is really generated. Portfolio management is one of the most overlooked areas of investing for retail investors, but it's arguably the most important because that's where all the risk management happens. You can pick great companies, but if you're too concentrated in one sector, or the companies are overvalued, or they're highly volatile, your portfolio and your stomach can be in for some wild swings. Our portfolio tools give everything from basic functionality for free users to premium features and functionality for premium members. In this video, we're just going to go over the basics for creating and adding to a new portfolio. In order to use any of the portfolio features, you're going to need to make sure you've registered for a free account and verified your email address. Once you have, go ahead and log in and just search for a company. In this case, I'll search for Bank of America. So once I'm on the Bank of America company page, let's say I've done some fundamental research on Bank of America, and I think it has the potential to be a great long-term investment. But I'm not so sure yet, and I want to see what it looks like in a model portfolio next to other companies and to see how it fits into my overall portfolio strategy. So what I can do is I can click on Add to Portfolio, and since I don't have a portfolio, it automatically prompts me to create a new one, in which case I'll just call this Watch List. I'll enter the desired number of shares. I'll leave the price the same. It auto-populates. Since I'm adding it today, I'll just leave it like that. And I'll select the portfolio I just created from the drop-down menu. Click OK, and it's been added to my portfolio. I can click on Portfolios, and I'll see my new portfolio with Bank of America added in.